CES is the world's largest trade show for consumer technology. It's a place where people converge to see the latest technology, innovation. We have worked with Repurpose America. All of our badge holders are made from repurposed banners from last year's show.
A lot of the directional signage has all been converted into 100% recyclable opportunities for them.
We have expanded the recyclable carpet to all of our exhibit halls.
We also provide or offer sustainable packages for our exhibitors, not only any type of graphics that they would like to produce, but also sustainable type of package units.
Working with CES, Repurpose America, last year diverted about 18,000 pounds of magnetic material.
We're taking all of the vinyl banners inside, so we're on track to pull all of that down and repurpose it, give back to the community. They did a sunshade at a local school for children. It's important for us to give back, to be responsible, to contribute to the greening initiatives that the city has and work with these amazing organizations that, as they take care of their community.